Hello, guys, and this is my very first gaming YouTube video for YouTube, I guess. And this is Animal Jam. Oh, hold up. And I'll be playing for y'all. So, yeah. And, yeah. If y'all want to follow me, my name is CalebIz6. I know I ain't got much people to join, so really, you don't have to. I'll be going to my dinner right now. I'll show y'all all around Animal Jam so y'all know what it's like. I honestly like it, but it's pretty fun. Just membership is pain in the butt. 'Cause you can't get much as membership. So yeah. And yeah. Oh, someone's here. Oh, say hi. Purple Panda. Hold up. I'll type it. Hi here on YouTube. Uh, let me type it. Bruh. What? You're on video? Oh, here you go. There you go. So yeah. Thank you. You. Hit. This is my house, pretty much, and I like it. And I have friends. Yes, you can follow people. These are all my friends. Okay. If y'all want to follow me, my account is CalebIz6. I already told you that, but yeah, pretty much what that'll be. And I'll take you. This is dance moves you can do right here. You dance. You can sleep. You can play. And you can hop. But yeah. I'll explore the world for you. And here's a world map. You just click where you want to go. And yeah, there's a lot of people here. And then if you want to trade yourself, you can trade on this game. Add the stuff you want to trade. This is all the stuff I want to trade right now. And I have that much money, which is a lot compared. Yeah. This is a games. My game I would recommend for y'all is this one. Best Dress. It gives you the most gems if you win first place. And yeah, I'll be posting this on YouTube. If you want shout outs, just comment below and I'll give y'all shout outs in my next video. Which will probably be tonight or tomorrow again. I don't know. Depends on my views I get already. But yeah. And I'll tell people here they're on video. So people like that sometimes. So here video. Go. But yeah. But yeah, how's your own days going? Comment down below if your day's going great. Oh, someone wants to trade. Trade, why not? So yeah. Got it. And I'm gonna tell them to if you want to see the video, go to Flashback Gaming on YouTube. On my channel. Hold up. Just give me. And go to my channel. And make sure y'all please like and subscribe. There's also a limit once you type. To huh. Channel. That's how you spell it. But yeah. So if y'all like to talk with me, just go ahead. Oh. Oh, sorry, y'all. Trying to get used to this thing. This is a new app I use. Yeah. But this is pretty much Animal Jam. I'll be posting on this channel about Animal Jam. It's really fun. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment if you want me to do another one. So yeah, bye.